Hello, to this video I'm gonna make fried rice. Here I have already cooked basmati rice, 7 cloves of garlic, spring onion, a slice of carrot, slice of bell peppers, red, green, orange, and yellow, green bean, garlic powder, and onion powder, soy sauce, olive oil, and salt to taste. Now let's get started. Let's slice our garlic. Slice our bell peppers. Cut them into small cubes. The green beans, carrot, our spring onion, now let's start cooking. Put olive oil, let's fry our garlic. Fry it until it turns to golden brown. I think it's ready. Let's put aside. Crack 1 egg. Put a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and mix it. Now let's add our veggies. Now let's mix all together. It smells good. The garlic, it gives the aromatic smell. Now let's put our rice. Add onion powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Let's add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Mix together. Our simple yet smells so good fried rice is done. Hope you like it. And it's ready to serve.